It's a weird IMEM installed by Superior Elevators at Newmarket Hotel. This thing is so weird. I've never seen a Nardak this old before. This is the first one I've ever seen. I mean IMEM, not Nardak. I said Nardak. Oops. Such a weird lift. 6 kilograms, 8 persons. Lift 2 apparently. It looks like Wittur doors, is it? I reckon it is Wittur doors. Such a small cab, I barely fit in this thing. This thing's pretty dodgy. There's a controller cabinet. Looks like it has is it DMG that Alex used to use on their lifts in the 90s? That's probably what these buttons used to be, the same. Replace it with Dewhurst. Use 9015.